What's up, everybody? If you're watching this video, you're probably watching it because you're looking at buying this specific exhaust, the ISR 3-inch straight dual with the 3-inch tips on it for the s13 240SX. And the reason I made this video is specifically because I could not find any YouTube videos or any videos period with a stock KA, a stock manifold, and a stock cat. The only thing that's different about the exhaust is the catback. Not running a test pipe like everybody else that has videos on an NA car, which sounds ridiculously loud, and you will get tickets and you'll probably lose a bit of hearing. That's going to be with any NA car that you put a straight pipe on. That stuff's going to be crazy. But anyway, so this is it on my car. Like I said, stock motor, stock manifold, stock cat, stock everything drive-wise except for this catback. And I don't know if you can see it that well, but it fits really well. The tips, they tuck up in the back really close to the tow hook. I'm also using the Circuit Sports, the little blue poly exhaust bushing, so that keeps it, held up pretty much as high as possible without, putting. It's fine. I'm sure it's fine if you put hose clamps around your exhaust bushings or whatever, but it fits really well. My car is on 15x8s with 225/50s, so the car, even though the wheels aren't tucked up in the wheel wells, the bottom of the car sits pretty low. And the only con I would have about this exhaust is that the middle section of it, where the flange is, pretty much, I don't know if you can see it from here, but like right next to the diff, where that flange is, that 2-bolt flange, that sits pretty low. But like I say, my car is on 15-inch wheels, and it's pretty darn low. I probably have maybe 2 inches, maybe a little less, under my front subframe. Back's not that low, but like I say, it sits a little low. But if you have 16s or 17s on your car, then I wouldn't worry about it at all. I have not scraped this thing on anything yet, and this is my daily. So anyway, let's get on with it. I'll start it up with my remote start on my alarm so you can hear it, and I'll give you a little bit of rev. Let's go ahead and start it up. As soon as you crank the car up, that initial exhaust note is pretty loud. It comes out pretty hard when you first start it up, but then it idles down, and it's got a really mean, really nice, grumbly, really a growly, low note on idle. And this is fairly cold. The car ran for about 2 minutes before this because I didn't have my camera set up right, and I went and started it, so you can hear it. Really nice idle. Sounds awesome. Like I say, stock cat, so it cuts back on some of that ugly noise. Let's see if I can show you. If you can see it. There's my tow hook. It's up nice and high. My finger in between it. It's not too high, it won't rattle on it. Here's the Circuit Sports bushings. This is that flange I was talking about. It sits pretty low. But like I say, no problems with me so far. Good welds on the hangers. It looks really nice. The tips don't stick out too far in the back. I was kind of worried about that. I didn't want it to look goofy or anything and have tips that stick out really, really far. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think the 4-inch tip version of this, the tips stick out a little bit farther, which is not my taste, but you know, that's just me. So there's that. And I'll give it a little gas. So, I'm not sure how good a quality the audio is going to turn out on this camera. This is my old little point and shoot, but sounds good to me. It's not too much. Those low revs were $2,000. That higher one was about $3,000. I live in a little soccer mom neighborhood, so I'm not about to, you know, let it rip. It might make somebody mad, but yep, I like it. If I was you, I wouldn't really be afraid of putting this catback on a car with a cat on it. So that's it. Have a good one.